Welcome to Smart Contracts Made Easy. Smart Contracts Made Easy is a friendly tool to create smart contracts, NFTs, native tokens, and Cardano blockchain transactions. It's a complete REST API solution for crypto developers, enthusiasts, and entrepreneurs. But more on that later. Let's get caught up on all the Cardano news. All right, so it's been a pretty crazy market. Obviously, I think we've definitely seen that we're at definitely a low point in crypto, and Cardano is no different than everybody else right now. We've seen it break the 50 cent mark, which I think is really kind of a big emotional mark, I know, for a lot of us. But not to lose hope, first of all, because we know that all of our good neighbors at Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing pretty much the same thing. We've actually been seeing a little bit of Cardano spikes along the way here that they haven't seen. But ultimately right now, it's been a rough time to be into crypto. So we're definitely into a crypto winter. So one of the things that I would really encourage people to look at is, then what? What do we do with that? And I would really say to make sure that we're betting and taking the opportunity, just as I am with the stock market, to buy low so that when we have the opportunity, when this does emerge, I think we've seen that crypto is definitely a technology and an opportunity that we see that's not going to go away. So I would really encourage you to take an opportunity to look at this in the long-term perspective and see the opportunity long-term. And so make your bets on the technology. Don't make your bets on the money. Don't make your bets on who's got the big celebrities. Make your bets on the technology. And that's what we like to cover here at Smart Contracts Made Easy. So I want to talk a little bit today. Cardano reaches another interoperability milestone. New Ethereum Cardano bridge goes live. So the Cardano has hit another interoperability milestone in the Iagon Ethereum-Cardano token bridge as it goes live in the beta version today. So Iagon Ethereum-Cardano token bridge is launched. We believe that our solution, powered by a couple of people that I can't pronounce, contributes to Cardano development and growth. So this is going to be interesting to see as we see more and more of these come online. So in late April, Iagon, a decentralized cloud computing platform, announced its migration from the Ethereum blockchain to Cardano. Following that, it announced that it has migrated 50% of its token supply from Ethereum to Cardano, totaling 500 million IAG tokens. As explained by Iagon team, the purpose-made token bridge was built to enable the conversion of ERC-20 IAG tokens to CNT. Officially, they migrated to Cardano. They announced, today we bridged over 50% of our token supply from Ethereum. So this is an interesting move as they're moving away from Ethereum. The new bridge relies on solutions provided by Milko Media, a Layer 2 protocol, and Nomad protocol. Iagon also hinted at a plan to include support for other ERC-20 projects if allowed. Now, the Cardano reached a pivotal moment in interoperability after the Milko Media Foundation announced the launch of Milko Media C1 in late March. Cardano C1 is a Layer 2 EVM-compatible sidechain that enables Ethereum dApps to be deployed into the Cardano ecosystem. Shortly after this, ADA to -AGIX converter went live, thus enabling Singularity Net native tokens AGIX to become interoperable with Cardano's first asset, ADA. So Cardano's Vasil hard fork nears. A suggested roadmap given by Cardano's parent company, IOHK, indicates the end of May for the closed public testnet phase, while Vasil is expected to launch on the Cardano testnet in early June. Also, the mainnet hard fork proposal deadline has been set for June 29th. So lots of upcoming here, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so we can bring you the latest news as soon as we get that. I found this other article that I thought was very interesting for crypto in general. So Andreessen Horowitz raises $4.5 billion crypto fund to take advantage of bargains in a down market. The Silicon Valley firm announced a new $4.5 billion fund for backing crypto and blockchain companies on Wednesdays. Partners Ariana Simpson and Chris Dixon like the long-term opportunity in crypto to the next major computing cycle after PCs in the 1980s, the internet in the 1990s, and mobile computing in the early 2000s. Bear markets are often when the best opportunities come about, said Simpson. So Andreessen Horowitz plans to plow billions of dollars into crypto startups while digital assets markets are in a rut. The Silicon Valley firm announced a new $4.5 billion fund for backing crypto and blockchain companies on Wednesday. It marks Andreessen's fourth fund in the asset class and brings its total raise for crypto and blockchain investments to $7.6 billion. The firm plans to invest in both the cryptocurrencies behind the project and in company equity. Andreessen's first crypto-focused fund was launched 4 years ago during a downturn known as a crypto winter. The bear markets are often the best opportunities come about when people are actually able to focus on building technology rather than getting distracted by short-term price activity, Simpson, a general partner at Horowitz, told CNBC in a phone interview. And I'm really with him. I think that as we see this downturn in the market, I think we're going to see a lot of people move away from this day trading. I mean, it's like everything's falling. So it's not really a great time to get in and start day trading. And allow us to really focus on the technology and to make sure that we can blast through the technology. And I think this is a really important change and an important shift. The flood of investment into so-called Web3 startups trying to build business on blockchain technology has inspired scorn from some tech luminaries. Two of the world's best-known tech billionaires, Elon Musk and Twitter founder Jack Dorsey, have been among those questioning the Web3. I'm also one of those. I don't think the web is going to change, and I don't think it's going to move to the blockchain. The blockchain is inherently too slow and inherently just isn't really going to work to power the web. However, I do think there is a lot of important uses, and that's the reason why we've come up with Smart Contracts Made Easy. Smart Contracts Made Easy is an easy way for you to build APIs to build on top of the Cardano blockchain. It makes it simple. We made it just absolutely simple, and we're even glad to help if you need any other help to integrate into your application. So reach out to us. We've got some great code samples, easy documentation to follow, and a lot of other great opportunities to make it easy for you to build on top of the blockchain. And that's our goal here. Also, make sure that you stake with our pool, the SEEZ pool. This helps to fund the project and also helps us to continue to build. It actually will also help your processing to run faster as you build and use smart contracts made easy. And you can see, here's where I've made some NFTs. And then also make sure that you follow our projects out on jpeg.store. We have a Smart Contracts EZ where I have some NFTs going out there. So these are ones that I've made using Smart Contracts Made Easy. And I'm going to be writing some, code here so that I can show you in the code samples how you can generate NFTs in seconds. You can see that these were fired off 2 days ago. And so I ran the code, and in seconds it generated about 30 NFTs. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel because I'm going to bring you all the latest news about what's coming up with Smart Contracts Made Easy as well as Cardano. And we'll catch you next time.